Welcome to this video tutorial. We will be going over the new multi-planar reconstruction and single Slice DICOM export feature in DAFS Express. To get started, open DAFS Express and launch Cast by clicking on Edit Segments. Next, load your DICOM files by clicking here. Navigate to your desired folder containing the DICOM files, and select the folder. Your DICOM series will now be loaded and ready for use. The MPR function allows you to view individual series stitched together, providing a comprehensive look at the entire patient series. You can easily scroll through individual DICOM images and adjust the layout to suit your viewing preferences. The second new feature is the ability to export single slice DICOMs from a series. Simply select any slice, and export the DICOM to your chosen output folder. After exporting, you can run DAFS Express on the output folder to generate accurate segmentations. If you would like to see printed PDF reports, please enable the Print PDF Reports in the DAFS Startup menu. Finally, you can reload the segmented DICOMs in Cast and make any necessary edits. You can also view the PDF reports of your DICOM in your output folder. Thank you for watching.